Hey family! I am back today to bring you an updated highlight and contouring routine video. Let's get started. So first I'm going to take my MAC strobe cream. I'm going to use that as my primer. Priming is key, guys, when it comes to anything that has to do with your makeup. Always prime, always prime. Next I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to use the shade Sable, and I'm going to blend that right into my skin. I'm using the Morphe M335 brush to do that. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I'm going to just highlight under my eyes, nose, forehead, above my lips, and on my chin. And to make my highlight a little bit brighter, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Tan Sand over those same spots. I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend out that concealer. I'm going to take that concealer all the way back, kind of beside my ears. I like for my face to look kind of elongated, and that's what I do to get my face looking snatched. Now y'all, I'm going to take this banana powder from Ben Nye to set that concealer. I'm just going to go over that in the areas where I highlighted so that the concealer doesn't crease or move. Alright y'all, now to contour my face, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Queen Collection Bronzer in Ebony Bronze. Again, to contour, just to add some warmth to my face. I'm going to take a little bit more of that and contour my nose with it. Alright guys, and that is my updated highlighter and contouring routine. Thank you guys for watching, and stay beautiful. Bye!